Okay, so the raft is gone, and I've got no idea where to go. I can hear some guy like panting over here, and it's really like not what I want to be hearing. Let us continue along. Forget those guys, am I right? Oh, there's our raft! If we can just get across. Alright, so let's take this away. Seems pretty safe. It's only skewered fish instead of mutilated bodies. I can live with skewered fish. Okay. Oh Jesus, it's supposed to be a human body. With its oh Jesus, that's a brutal effigy. In fact, it's quite unreasonable. Just overkill if you ask me. If you ask me. Alright, so let's get across to our raft. We need to get to our raft. This like balancing, like all the balancing stuff that they've put in the game. Interesting break of pace. Can we like push their bodies? No? Okay. Love has set us free. Couldn't agree more. I'm definitely feeling the love. Hey, there's our raft. Let's jump on and get out of here. This can't, like, it's been too smooth on the raft. They've got surely they're gonna shake this up soon. Alright, let's do the old dodgy dodge of the rocks and continue on our merry way. How long are we staying on the raft for? We've been on this raft for ages. And just slowly cruising. I mean, we had the one incident out on the lake with like the massive wave. And all the, oh geez, all the dead bodies and shit that were in the lake and the crazy like 8-armed man. I don't like that guy. I really don't like the 8-armed guy. He's fucking terrifying. I do not like him at all. Okay. Why is this still going so smoothly? I don't... Okay. This can't go smoothly for too much longer. Like, Outlast, I feel like it doesn't give you breaks this long without a good reason. So let's try and hit the... I'm trying to turn, but it won't let me turn. Alright, there we go. Okay. Let's keep on going. Just keep on going. Alright, so they are everywhere, and they're all around us. Let's kind of just focus on turning and steering for now. I'm not even... Oh jeez, okay, there we go. That's what we've been waiting for. Just, I can't... Oh man, yeah, there we go. Look forward, eyes forward, man. Eyes on the river, eyes on the river. We now have a 3-logged raft. See how long we can ride it out for. Can't imagine it'll be for too much longer. Alright, so we're coming up to some built up area, so I can only assume we're going to be getting off this thing soon.
What are they doing to her? I think she's somebody's mother. Call me the father. But I'm not. I haven't in months. I couldn't be.
Okay, so they haven't been having some fun in a couple of months. Which is a real shame, because you don't really want to die with that... Oh jeez. With that sort of shit on your back. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Where do we go? I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Oh jeez. Run! Run! Don't look back! Don't look back! Oh, it's the evil tongue from hell! And now we're in the school pool. Oh my god, what the fuck, man. Please go away, 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 please go away. Oh, we're coming up to the end, I swear. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Aha! Better luck next year, pleb. Oh, thank God. Whew. Let's just all take a moment. Let's just all take a moment. Whew. All right, so where should we go next? Take straight the exit? I think so. Or not either. I guess that only makes sense, so we can't take the exit straight away. This has got a light, so let's go this way. Oh, Jesus. That is hard to look at. So I feel like we kind of need to get in on this and just enjoy it. Nice. One of these doors is slamming. None of those guys, okay. Oh, jeez! Let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out. Didn't let me out, didn't let me out. Gotta run, gotta run. Where is he? Where is he? Alright. Okay. Oh, I got the goosebumps, something ferocious right now. That was scary as fuck. It's funny how some things just can really trigger your, like, you're like, I don't know, some things really freak you out and other things don't freak you out as much. Oh shit, but yeah, sometimes I get freaked out more than other times. Oh boy, alright, let's keep going. Can we get out now? No, it's still jammed, okay. Is there anything over here that I'm missing? Apparently not. Massive glitchiness on the camera. Okay, that was not like that a second ago. Okay. Oh, leaves footprints and everything. That's pretty cool. So where do we go exactly? That's jammed. Do we go back? Do we just go in between the toilets the whole time? Oh my goodness. Are you kidding? God, that's frustrating. I am dumb as fuck. Why can't they just open that door? Why can't that door just be open? Yeah, it's an obvious door. It's easy to see. Oh, which way is he coming from? He's coming from that way. Is he following? Most likely. Alright, so we gotta get on the run. Not behind us yet. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Motherfucker, I agree. Motherfucker. Fucking hate that guy. Alright, so where do we go now? We got a computer lab here. Alright, so we're not going that way. Alright, the game has showed us the way. One of these computers has to be on. Got another little drawing here. Lovely. Wait, which computer's on? One of these computers has to be on, right? Oh, it's just a light that I'm seeing, okay. Doesn't change the fact that there's got to be something here that we can do. There's got to be something here that we can do. Alright, so this didn't help me out. What have we missed? Alright, well let's get out of here. Because this is not doing any good for us. So Let's follow the corridor. Avoid the scary 8-armed mother... Holy shit! Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Run through the shower! We must continue! In this we will endure! Oh, please tell me this is the end. Close. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh boy. This game takes it out of you. Really takes it out of you. Interesting transition. Okay. Oh, that's right, we were running away What the fuck? How's it raining blood? How do I film it? How do I film the raining blood? Alright, so let's just hold that there. Just while it rains blood on our head. Because that's just beautiful. Just looks great. Just looks lovely. Alright, so... where do we go? Okie dokie. Looking good, fellas. I don't know if, I don't know. I just don't know anymore. Alright, there we go. It's got a bit of swing, that door. Could possibly be a way into that. Okay, this is getting extra creepy right now. This is getting extra creepy right now. This can't be good. Oh, these poor bastards. Alright, let's just keep going. Let's just keep pushing. Just keep finding our way. Just gotta keep finding it. Holy Jesus. Poor bastards. Alright, so... oh, no. No thank you. No more. Not today, Satan. I think I can hear her. I think that's the woman. I hope it's not the woman, but I think it is the woman. Pretty sure, yeah, can't see anything without night vision. Or infrared. I'm pretty sure there should be a bandage right there. Just saying. Pretty bullshit that there isn't.
The mine entrance is usually on the top floor.
2 bandages and a bunch of batteries. Oh, I didn't want to review the footage. Let's keep on going. Get a reload on. There we go. Should I hide? I feel like I should hide. Was there any reason to hide? I don't know. I can't be sure. I feel like I really should be hiding. Oh god. Let's just jump out and bite the bullet. Alright, nothing there. That's okay. Oh, I can hear her. She must be there. I could hear her breathing. I could hear her breathing. Oh, don't do this to me, game. No more. Quickly, just cross. Just cross. Alright, cool. Oh, fuck this. Oh, this is such bullshit. Oh god. This is too intense. Too intense. Fuck. Oh god. this game is building me up to just bring me down. I can feel it. There's a good scare coming up. Oh, Jesus! Oh, I tried to be so ready for it.
We tried to get her back before the enemy cracks her womb. But they
Wait, Lynn? Have you seen her?
killed us. The lucky ones they killed. Get out. We have to leave. We have to go.
Okay. So we have to go. We got to get out of here. No, no more school. Oh.